this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to buy USDT or crypto on Bybit using the P2P method. So the first thing you have to do now is to download Bybit and then register and verify your account. After doing that, you just come over to this place, this home page, click on more. So if you click on more right here, you can then locate P2P trading. Okay, this is your P2P trading. But if you don't want to do it that way, an easier method, just come over to your home page and you are going to see P2P trading right here. So all you just have to do is to click on P2P trading. Okay, and then you wait for it to load up and you then choose the currency you want to buy, either USDT. Just click here. So you either buy USDT, USDC, BTC or Ethereum. So I'll just leave mine on USDT. Now the next thing you have to do is to check for a merchant that you want to buy from. Okay, so you can check this other person. You can see the trust score for this person is showing 100%, and then you also check the quantity because you have to know the quantity you are buying. And the next thing you have to check is the limits. You can see that this person is selling as low as 5,000 naira. So if you are having lower than 5,000 naira, you cannot buy from him. But once you're having from 5,000 naira above, you can actually buy from him. So you are going to also check the merchant that is also online. You can see that this person is not online now, but this other person is online. Okay, so all you just have to do is to check the limits and then check the quantity, and you proceed. If you notice that you did not see your amount that you want to buy, see the amount that you want to buy, then you can go ahead to filter it. Just click on amount here. So if you click on amount, you are going to put in the number of USDT equivalence to naira. So let's say, for example, I want to buy that of 15,000 naira. Okay, and then I'll click on confirm, and then I'm going to see deals that are available. And also you are also going to choose the amount. You are going to choose the method that you want to buy. So let me click here. So this is just to filter it so that they are going to know exactly what you want. You just put on bank transfer because you are going to be paying through bank transfer, and then you click on confirm. Okay, and you are going to see it pump and clear right over here. So the first person that we are having here, the first merchant, you can see his rate here, which is 1,539.49 naira per USDT, and his trust score is 92%, meaning the person is actually trusted. So all I'll just have to do right over here is just to go ahead to click on buy. Okay, I'll just click on buy here. So if I click on buy, I'll then choose the fiat, that's the amount in naira or in crypto. So let's say I'm buying in crypto. I'm going to put 11 USDT. So 11 USDT, the equivalence or the conversion to naira is 16,934.39 naira. So that is what I'm going to be paying to this merchant so that he is going to sell 11 USDT to me. Okay, so all I'll just do now is to click on buy. Okay, so after clicking on buy right now, you are going to notice a countdown just right at the top of your screen. So once this countdown is over, you are going to be on a losing side if you don't make the payment on time. So we have up to 14 minutes to make this payment. Okay, so all we just have to do is to click on pay now. But before you click on pay now, make sure you are going to click on contact seller. So if you click on contact seller, you are going to see what the merchant has to say. Make sure you read it. It says, I am active, please don't ask me again. Don't ask me again. Don't delay. Make payments. Make payments and drop the receipts. Here is my WhatsApp. Okay. So some of the merchants will have to tell you, maybe you must drop your phone number or this and that. So just make sure you are going to read what the merchant has to say, and then you follow suit. Okay. So let me just click on pay now. So if I click on pay now, I am then going to see the details of the merchant. You can see the name, the bank account number, and then the bank name. I'm just going to copy the account number and then make sure I'm going to take note of this account, this account name, and head over to my bank app and make this payment. So let me just do that right now. All right, so after making the payments, make sure before you make the payments, make sure you are going to read this. It says over here, please use console onyekure when making payments. That is, you are going to use an account that is exactly your name. Don't use another person's account. Then another point says here, make sure not to remark sensitive words such as BTC, USDT, purchase when transferring fiat, otherwise the transfer may fail. Okay, so make sure on the description you are not going to put any crypto related word. Okay, so the next thing now you have to do is to go over here and click on payment completed. Okay, and then you just have to check this box, the two box. Okay, okay guys, so you can see right over here the merchant has just released our USDT. This is 11 USDT and it says completed right over here. So this is exactly how you can buy USDT or crypto on Bybit using the P2P method. Okay, you are then going to see that I'm now having 11 USDT. So that is it. So if you have any questions, you can drop it right on the comment section. I'm ever ready and available to answer you. Make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't, and see you in my next video, and stay blessed.